Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix BlueStacks 5 not launching or loading on Windows. If BlueStack 5 won't launch or get stuck loading on Windows, firstly you need to restart your PC. Simply open your Windows and select this power icon and select restart. A simple reboot can clear temporary issues that prevent BlueStacks from starting. And you need to run BlueStack as administrator. On the bottom there's this search, select search and type down BlueStack. And over here on the right hand side, there's this icon for run as administrator. Select this run as administrator. And you also need to update your BlueStack. Make sure the BlueStack has been updated in the latest version from the official website. Then check any antivirus. Some antivirus program block BlueStack, temporarily disable real-time protection to test. And that is it. This is how you can fix BlueStack 5 not launching or loading on Windows. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.